This is Jeremy Schnitt over theochicago.com and newhomenotebook.com. I'm heading eastbound on Addison Street. It's a lovely Sunday afternoon in Lakeview in late June. I am heading to the 40th Annual Pride Parade, Chicago's Gay Pride Parade and Festival that runs pretty much through Boys Town, Lakeview. It starts at the corner of Belmont and Halstead, runs up to Grace, and then goes back down through Broadway down to Lincoln Park, I think just a little bit south of Diversey. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're going to be actually missing probably the festival. We will merely be getting the aftermath, which is probably about just as fascinating as the actual parade itself. This place gets pretty obnoxious on the last Sunday in June. So I'm just going to kind of shoot some footage of it so everybody can get a view, get an idea of what's going on. Actually, yeah, I'm mistaken. We're going to get to see a little bit of the parade, actually. See a couple floats up ahead of us.